If you want to disable emergency SOS services on your phone, this is how you do it. You go into the settings, make sure you're on the main settings page, scroll down until you see emergency SOS and tap on that. And then just toggle all of these off. Why do you want to do that? I don't know, because I feel like it's a good idea to have the ability to make emergency calls. So I'm going to keep this on for myself. The only time I have seen this be an issue is on newer phones. They have a fourth toggle here for crash detection. And friends of ours have fallen on the ski hill, for example, because they're skiing downhill pretty fast. Then they crash, but they're fine. They get back up and keep on skiing or snowboarding. But their phone detected that as a high-speed crash, and then it automatically called emergency services. So that's an example of the only time I might want to toggle something off, and that'd just be that one toggle, just the crash detection toggle. These ones up here where you press the buttons, you press this button 5 times, or you press and hold the volume up and the action button to make those calls. Unless you have a lot of pocket dials and presses, I don't know, in your pocket, pressing these buttons by accident, I don't know. But if that happens a lot to you, then I agree, maybe you turn that off. But I feel like it's a good feature to have on, and maybe just the crash detection needs to be turned off if you have a newer phone. Mine's too old for crash detection. This is the place where you turn it off. Hope this video helps you. If it does, like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video right here, which shows you how to check if your phone is tracking you and whether it's sending all that data to Apple without your permission. So check out that video next, and I'll see you there.